It's sprinkling a little bit. Just heard thunder. Pulled up to see the new birds exhibit. Hopefully we can make it.
Aviary birds exhibit.
I'm not trying to take a picture of something. I'm getting scared.
You're a little scared of the thunder?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, buddy. It'll be over in just a few minutes. We didn't bring our waterproof camera, so we gotta wait for the rain to stop.
It started raining pretty good when we got here, but we seen on the weather forecast looked like that's what was gonna happen.
Yep, we were late. We should have came earlier.
Yeah. So it looks like it's about to clear up now. It's raining. Bondrin Foundation Birds of the World. New exhibit we're checking out. It's kind of bigger than I thought it would be. Check out the flamingos.
I still hear some thunder, so hopefully we'll make it through.
There's flamingos in here. All kinds of birds.
That does look like a duck, but it says it's a teal.
This is a duck right here. This is a duck.
That one's a duck. You're right. And they got a goose, and they do have a duck. These ones both say duck over here.
This one. Which one? This one.
Scarlet ibis.
What's this one?
Black-faced ibis. Ibis.
What's this?
I don't know how you
I don't know.
Let's go!
Wanna check out some more stuff? Let's go. What? Yeah.
Hammer crop.
Okay, what's this?
A western plantain eater.
What's this?
Wattle lapwing.
Okay.
Wattle lapwing.
Yellow-billed stork.
We should go!
Yeah, so it's this is South Africa. So they got little houses.
So they got birds of Africa, then they got.
Then there's another
South Africa?
You want to go into the birds of South America?
I can read.
Yeah,
Well, that one was Africa.
yeah.
So I
So this is South
I
America.
thought it was paired together in my
So
mind.
they can go into these little sections here.
Try to read it.
Oh, the locker goes forward.
They push it.
It's a push.
Push.
It's a chain. Are we going to be in there?
You
Usually
going
when
in?
they got the chains, that means there's going to be some birds.
There's gonna be birds, yeah.
Birds on the loose.
But it says get
Wood
nose to
smells
bill.
Nice. Nice new wood. Smells good. Okay, wait. I think this one.
They're
is
pushers. They're pushers. There's all the flamingos.
They got a new house. Pretty.
A new flamingo section.
Nice area.
Mommy, that was just funny.
Pretty cool.
It's kind of wild, but
I like the waterfalls.
I don't think they're gonna come up on here. I don't think they're actually gonna come up here.
Nice tropical plants. This is like what I want in my backyard.
Yeah.
Here's the birds from the pictures over there, like
tropical
pelican. Pelican pink.
Oh, yeah.
I
They're
saw
on the
one.
top.
Way up there.
Look at that. I think that is that weed plant too that we just saw.
Yeah,
behind
yeah.
it, too. It is pretty.
It's cool.
It like kind of turns into a tree. I don't know. We have it as a weed. I don't think it
Got the flamingos.
designates as a weed.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Comes the duck right here.
Party.
I just tried to open that door.
Don't
There's a
open
bird
it.
there.
Oh, wait.
Say hi. There's a bird over there. I think he got a pass. Mommy got a little, I think that's not like a boy house pass.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice little trail of grass down there. Nice
Yeah.
little path,
There's a little
he
path,
says.
yeah.
Baby one.
Aww. That's cute.
Well, I like that, like,
That's a beautiful landscape down. Once
Yeah.
again.
look at them.
I know.
They might be like cleaning
I think it's
bugs
called
out
like
of water
preening,
off each
yeah,
other.
they clean each other, yeah.
They look friendly.
All right, let's see
All
what
right, let's
else
go.
we got.
They don't look like
Good.
they're
So super cute, kind of a smaller section, but
Yeah.
very cute and nice.
Very cool. It's birds of South America. You're kind of just in here with the birds. They got that little fence here, but they could fly over here.